All right, so this 5.5b, just talking about average values. So the rule is going to be, apparently my screen is frozen right now. Okay, there we go. So to find the average value, this right here is 1 over b minus a, so it's the interval length, and then we're going to do the integral from a to b. So you should watch yesterday's notes and learn how to take the antiderivative. But what I'm going to show you here, so this is 1 over b minus a, 0 to 3, 4 minus x squared. All right, so you could try to take this by hand, but I haven't taught you the fundamental theorem of calc yet, which deals with what the 0 and the 3 mean. So what I want you to do instead is you're going to hit math, turn it on, math 9, and you're going to get integrals. And we're just going to type it in here, and it will tell you what the answer is. This only works for definite integrals, which means that there's numbers on the side there. That's what definite means. So if you hit enter here, we get out 3. So this right here tells me that that answer is 1/3 times 3. So my average value of this function from 0 to 3 is 1. Now remember, mean value theorem was that the slope between 2 points equals the slope at 1 point. So for definite integrals, what it's saying is that the average value is going to equal some point on there. So it's saying that the equation right here, the 4 minus x squared, is equal to the average value. So I'm going to do 4 minus x squared equals the average value. So this answer right here goes right here. And solve. So x squared equals 3. So x would equal plus or minus square root of 3, but with a given interval, it's from 0 to 3, we're going to say x equals radical 3. That's the C that's going to satisfy the mean value theorem. Down here, I just wanted to make sure that we could relate what average value means and how we find them. So if I want to find average value and I'm given, I want to find the average velocity, and then a few things. So S stands for position, V we use for velocity, and A we use for acceleration. So if I want to find the average value and I'm given velocity, then that's when we have to do 1 minus b, 1 over b minus a of your velocity equation. If I'm given position and I want to find average velocity, then I'm going to do like s of b minus s of a over b minus a. That means I'm using the position function. I'm just using the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's what this means. It's a slope formula. So down here we have average acceleration. Given acceleration, it's just going to be the acceleration formula then. And if I'm given velocity, then I'm going to do the same thing up there. I'll do the y value of that velocity at b and a, and then subtract the x's. So that's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And on the back of these right here, we did some word problems. So I just had them practice, make sure that they can do word problems or the Riemann sums. And then down here, we just talked about what these things mean. And if you want to look them up, it's 1998 free response number 3. This is 2005 free response number 3. And this is 2003. So 5 and 3, number 3.